to set up Face ID on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. After click on Security and Privacy, click on Lock Screen and click Enter your PIN. After enter PIN, so click on Face Recognition. So after watching face restrictions and click on Continue, and you will see restrictions. After watching, click on Register and show your face. After enter, after show your face, you will see Face ID is entered. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set a Face ID on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.